Meaning of deregulate.
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 Deregulate. The term deregulate refers to the process of reducing or eliminating government regulations or controls in a particular industry or sector, often with the aim of promoting greater competition and efficiency. The result of deregulation can vary depending on the specific context and industry involved, but in general it can lead to increased innovation and lower prices for consumers, as well as increased risk-taking and potentially greater volatility in the market. However, it can also lead to reduced safety standards, environmental risks, and other negative consequences if not managed carefully.